Unbeknownst by most, R has a slew of built-in datasets that are easy to find and great for tinkering. To take a peek, run the code data with open and closed parentheses in the console, or from a script like I have it. Look at all that data. Everything from airlines and the Titanic to violent crime rates in the US. In the trees dataset, I can guess what girth means, but to be safe, R provides the details of each dataset too. The name of the dataset, prefaced with a question mark, will bring up all of the nitty-gritty details under the Files section. To look at a particular variable, type the name of the dataset, a $, then the name of the variable you want to look at. This not only shows you the values for any one variable, but it's also a fail-safe way to call variables when you're using multiple datasets, or testing models and regressions. If you type in the dataset name followed by a $, RStudio will list the possible variables from which you can arrow down and press enter. No need to memorize the names of all of your variables. R has your back. There's plenty more to talk about, but now you're ready for descriptives and analysis. If you like this video or would like to hear about other topics, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment.